Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Oh, no? Okay, antisocial. I'm wearing this sweater again. I haven't worn it for a while. Some of you might recognize it. It's an amazing hoodie that allows you to carry your pet around, kind of like a kangaroo. This morning when I was thinking about what I wanted to wear, I'm kind of just staying home for the day, so I just wanted something comfy, but I saw it just laying there on my shelf where I put all the stuff that I'm gonna get to later that I never really get to. Yeah, if you saw my closet tour, I still never cleaned it. So I saw it sitting there and I thought, why not put it on today? It's comfy. She's always bugging me when I'm like wandering around the house trying to clean up or get stuff done. She always wants to be on the same floor or like following me around. So this kind of just makes everything easier for both of us. We can be together. I have a busy day today. I can put both of us at the same time. I need to get a few things done first for something else that I'm working on, and then I really want to cook something really good for dinner because a lot of you guys have been asking me lately, like, why haven't you been cooking lately? Where's your recipes? Where's your healthy recipes? And I do want to cook. It's just lately I've been so sidetracked, and also my boyfriend's on a diet, so he like wants really specific food, and we're often just eating salads, or he just wants to skip dinner altogether. So yeah, but today I'm gonna do a recipe because I saw something that I want to try and make a bit healthier in a vegan way. So yeah, we're gonna cook later. Alright, so first I am going to get some work done. Alright, I'm done most of what I need to do, about halfway, and I'm hungry, so let's make some dinner. Japanese cooking, but it's not really Japanese cooking because I'm not Japanese and I'm changing the recipe to be pizza, which isn't Japanese. We are going to be making takoyaki today, which is usually it's like a dough-like ball with different things inside, usually containing octopus amongst other things. So today I'm going to be making those in this for the first time, so I'm not sure how they're gonna turn out. I've never ever tried to make them. I just know I see them a lot on the streets here, especially in the summer during festivals. They're super popular. So I wanted to challenge myself and try and make a healthier version of them. So I'm gonna make them vegan and gluten-free today, but you can use any kind of dough you want, like pizza crust. You don't need to make them gluten-free and you don't need to make them vegan. You can put whatever toppings you want inside. So what you will need today is a cup of flour or pizza crust mix, 2 eggs, or you can use the egg replacer if you're making it vegan, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, some vegan cheese. You don't have to put any cheese at all if you don't want, or you could put regular cheese. I'm using the She's dairy-free mild cheddar style. They didn't have any mozzarella style here. This is all they had in Tokyo today, so this is what I'm using. And then you're gonna need some pizza sauce, some basil, fresh basil, and then whatever toppings you want. Today I'm gonna use some mushrooms, bell peppers, and red onion. And you'll also need these little bamboo stick thingies to turn the balls. And some water. You'll need some water. Now I'm just adding them to a frying pan. I'm gonna pre-cook the toppings until they're soft. Pizza Takoyaki is ready. I feel like are takoyaki supposed to be squishy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Inside is soft and the outside is. It's really like pizza balls.
Texture is good.
I feel like I could have cooked them a little bit longer though. Maybe.
Tastes good.
Hey guys, it's the next day now and I didn't end yesterday's vlog. I was just editing it and I kind of ended it out of nowhere. And that's kind of been occurring a lot lately, and I feel like I owe you guys an explanation as to what's going on, why I haven't been putting up videos every single day, why some videos are short. I don't know exactly what it is, to be honest. Like, it's like something mentally, I guess, that's bothering me. There's a lot of things going on in my personal life behind the scenes, like especially a couple of my friends are leaving Japan really soon, and I just found out recently that they're leaving like really soon, so it was like a sudden thing, and that just like, I don't know, that got me feeling a bit down towards them. And then also like I always just think about what am I doing, where am I going, and like me and my boyfriend are also thinking about what we want to do next. Like a lot of my friends are moving on to the next chapters in their lives, and although I've thought about it before, now it's making me really think about it. And I'm working on a couple things at the same time, so I'm just kind of spreading myself thin and like trying to do a lot of things at once, plus I'm not mentally in the right place to like, yeah, vlog. I don't know. So I always start off the day with good intentions, like I want to make an awesome vlog for you guys, I want to make it entertaining, I want to do stuff, and then I end up getting sidetracked mid-afternoon, and then I start to like feel a bit down, and then it just like progresses down and down into the night, and then I just stop picking up the camera. And I'm kind of in this funk this week, I guess, into doing that. Some days I don't pick up the camera at all, some days I do, and then I end up just leaving it at night. So yeah, that is what's going on, and I feel like it will be cleared up soon. I just need a bit of time. Like I'm just thinking a lot and doing a lot, and if you guys just bear with me for this week, I feel like next week or the week after I should be back to normal, I hope. So yeah, last night I got really super down last night. Like I didn't produce a video yesterday. I mean, I didn't upload a video. I didn't do all the things in the day that I needed to get done. Like I mentioned, when I started cooking, I got half my work done and I need to do another half, but then I just felt so tired and overwhelmed after cooking. It took up most of my time, and like, so then when I couldn't get everything done I need to get done, plus make an entertaining vlog, I felt so down, and then I didn't even go to the gym, so I was just like, everything's going downhill, like nothing's going right. I'm not taking care of my body, I'm not taking care of my health, and I've been getting like super bad headaches recently. I'm not sure why, but like they're like quite strong, and it makes me not want to look at the computer screen or not edit, and it could be because of my eyesight. Like I think I wear contact lenses way too much, so I need to like cut down, and then also wear my proper glasses a lot of the time. Could be why, but that just reminded me that I need to start putting my health as a top priority too, because I often will just try and make the vlogs more entertaining or plan my week according to what I want to shoot, and I always push back my appointments or like my health checkups, and I honestly haven't checked up or done a body checkup, and I don't even know when the last time was. Like it's really bad. So today I like was more proactive in that. I'm starting to make appointments like next week to go and like get everything checked out, because I really need to get that done. And so yeah, last night I was just like, I was feeling like quite down. I didn't get much done, but then when I get in that mood, I get even less done, because I'm like, I go deep into this dark hole and then I just want to sleep. And it's just like a spiraling snowball effect. Like one thing doesn't work out, the next thing, and then I feel worse and worse about myself, and then I just do nothing even more, and then I sleep and really do nothing. So I was just like, finally at 10:30, I was like, you know what, the one thing that makes me feel better when I have a lot going on in my head is exercising, running, sweating it out, listening to really good music at the time. Like whatever I'm thinking about, whatever mood I'm in, there's a type of song that kind of like portrays that mood, so I like to listen to it and just like run and sweat it out. So I actually went to the gym at like 10:30 p.m. last night, and honestly it made me feel a lot better when I got home, and then I had a good sleep after that. And then yeah, today I didn't vlog so much, but I did a bit of editing, and I've been just kind of taking it easy. I'm gonna add this into the footage, and hopefully I can probably post it tonight or something. But yeah, it's right now currently 5:30 p.m. and we're just gonna go for dinner. We're gonna do a veggie hot pot tonight, so I just want to eat some good food. It's been raining all day, so it's been kind of like bleh. So we're gonna eat some hot soup and then probably go to the gym again tonight, and that's going to be it for today. I do have an exciting weekend coming. I said that we were weekend coming up. I'm really looking forward to that. I feel like that's going to help cheer me up a bit, but at the same time a couple things are happening that are kind of sad too, but yeah, we'll see. This is life, but I just wanted to share that with you guys because yeah, I mean, I know you guys are always understanding, and I could have just like said, oh, I need to take a break, or not said anything at all and just not upload it. I know a lot of you guys would just totally understand, but I feel like I owe it to you to kind of explain, because I do want to upload every day, and like I do want to do stuff, but sometimes it gets too much, especially when you're dealing with like personal and mental things on the side. Like, yeah. That's all I want to say, I guess. Anyways, yeah, let's go eat dinner. Oh, I can smell the spice. We got half and half. This one is soy milk, and this one's a spicy. We're at a place called, it's this one, right? Tabi Eats? Oh no. Anyways, it's basically an all-you-can-eat menu. So you order your soup base, you can choose from two. You can get two choices.
Oh, yes, sorry.
This is the name of it, on Yasai. It's a chain store all around Tokyo. I really recommend it. They have all these dishes on the side. Everything's all you can eat. Vegetables, tofu, rice cakes, mochi, dumplings, meats, chicken, vegetables. So you basically can order whatever you want, as much as you want. We just finished eating. I bought some flowers for myself, and now we're in Nitori. The cutest summer stuff and like patio stuff. This is so tiny though. What are we gonna make inside that? It's so little. It's like the size of your hand. They have nice wooden bowls here and super cheap. Much cheaper than IKEA. We're in Baskin Robbins now. They call it 31 here, so there's 31 flavors. There's so many new flavors for this month, and we've been sitting here for like 5 minutes trying to choose. But the triple scoop challenge looks pretty enticing right now. Look at these guys. They're just loving life. Alright, I think we're gonna get that. This is Elbow-san's, what's this one? Rum raisin, ew. Chocolate chip and cheesecake. We realized we have exact opposite taste in ice cream. Like all his favorite ones are ones I don't like. I like ones that like are bright and colorful and fruity, basically for children, are my favorite. Ones with candy and stuff. Candy Box, Temptation Island, which is like a pina colada maybe, I don't know. And Amazon's down there. It's like an orange and bright green one. These are the flowers I got today. These, I believe they're called hydrangeas. They're in season in Japan right now, so I think they look super beautiful, and they also match this whole color scheme I've got going on here. And I also grabbed these yellow flowers. No idea what kind they are, but they're bright and they make me feel happy. And we also just got a delivery from Costco. So usually I buy this. This is one of my favorite snacks on iHerb, but you get a small box, a small bag for the same price, so it's much cheaper to just get it from Costco here. I also grabbed these acai blueberry dark chocolate. Oh, this is my guilty pleasure. This Chicago popcorn. It's like cheddar cheese and caramel. It's the best combination ever. Some bagels and a big container of mixed nuts. Just got changed. It's gym time now.